Secure top and bottom. You don't want it to open, and just go. But you have to do it with a lot of energy. The first round, we're gonna do one of our best sellers. This one belongs to our collection of the Year of the Dragon, and it's called the Fire Dragon, okay? Just to walk you around a little bit what you're gonna have. So you have your ice beams right here. Later on, I will teach you all of the tools that you're gonna be using. But we have two different stations for syrups and liqueur. And on the garnish station, we have this one right here. We're gonna walk you through which garnish should go on which string, etc. And the third round is where actually you're gonna get crazy. You're gonna make your own creation based on all of the knowledge that we are providing you. Does that sound fun? Awesome.